There are two main differences between an array and an array list. The first one is based on size. Arrays are of fixed size. That means whenever you create an array, you have to mention the size of the array beforehand, which cannot be reduced or increased later on. But when it comes to array list size can grow dynamically. That means it can grow or even decrease as your program progresses. So when you're actually creating an array list, you need not mention the size of an array list. The second and main difference is regarding how the data is stored inside an array and an array list. Inside an array, the data is stored continuously. As you can see here, suppose if the data is started storing from a location of 2000, the data is going to be stored continuous allocation of data is happening here. But let's consider for an array list. Here, the data is not stored continuously, but what is actually stored in continuous allocation is nothing but the pointers or the references to that data. As you can see here, this is a reference pointing to the actual data which has the number 2 stored. This is a reference which is pointing to the another data 4. This is pointing to 8 and this is pointing to 10. That means what we store continuously is nothing but the references to the actual data when it comes to an array list.